How to fix ChromeSetup.exe is not valid on Windows 32 application and Windows 7. So if you want to fix the problem, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First, you need to go with the first method, which is you need to reinstall the program again. If the program you downloaded has been verified that it is complete and compatible with your version of Windows, the error not a valid Win32 application may be caused by the corrupt file during downloading. So in order to fix the error that .exe is not valid Win32 application, you can try to download the program again and reinstall it, and then run it and check whether the error not a valid Win32 application is solved or not. If it is not effective, then you just need to simply go with the second, which is run the program as an administrator. In order to fix the error, you need to go with the program, right click on the program encountering the error that is not valid as Win32 application, and then you need to choose a properties option. Once you go with properties, you need to go with the compatibility section, which is right here. Under compatibility, you need to check the option run this program as an administrator. You need to click on it, then go with OK and check whether the error that .exe is not a valid Win32 application is fixed or not. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go with the third method, which is check bad file. A file can be changed or renamed as the .exe file. If you're downloading the file, make sure the file is supposed to be .exe file and it is not being changed. If you want to create .exe file, make sure that you are compiling the file for Windows and never rename a file to a exe or a.exe file directly. Otherwise, the file would not be executable and you may encounter the error not a valid Win32 application. So these were the three solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.